Hello, beautiful people. As we all know, Christmas is fast approaching. Today, I'm going to share with you this rice recipe that is better than fried rice. And I mean it. It's so simple, but equally delish. So you need your vegetables, onions, bell peppers,
and other vegetables. The name is Pretty Sarah. Let's get started.
so saute your onions in a little oil, okay? Don't use too much. This is because we're going to be making use of some stock. After a minute, go ahead and add the hard part of your scallions. Allow that to fry for about a minute just so it releases its flavor. And then add your rice. You can choose to wash your rice, okay? This time I didn't. And all those goodies that I've added to the rice are my stock. So the first one is stock that I got from my turkey, and then the second one is the stock that I got after grilling or roasting a whole chicken. Okay, so do that. Add your stock, your meat stock, fish stock, whatever stock you want to use before you add salt to taste. Okay, I mean that's if you eat salt. Okay, feel free to omit anything you don't eat, but just use this method and trust me, you're going to thank me later. Give it a good stir, cover, and reduce the heat. Okay, we don't want it to get burnt. After a couple of minutes, go ahead and turn it, stir. Okay, we want everything to mix properly, especially the salt. Give it a gentle quick stir and cover it back. Don't forget to reduce the heat. Okay, this is so simple. This rice recipe, most importantly, is full of vegetables. In only few minutes and food will be ready, and your Christmas table or any other event is going to brighten up, and your guests are going to be elated. When your rice is 80% cooked, go ahead and add your green beans and your carrots. Why am I adding these first? If you are used to this channel, you would know that is because they are the hardest amongst all the vegetables. Okay, so add them, stir them in, mix very well, and then cover this back. You can choose to add your parchment paper, that is also fine. Okay, hey, if you've watched me till this point, the name, as you can see on your screen, is Pretty Sarah. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share to your friends and family. It's my prayer that you have a lovely Christmas. Now the rice is cooked, it's the right time to add your bell peppers and your scallions. Remember, we first added only the white bits or the hard part. So now is the time to add the greener part, if I should say so. Okay, give this a gentle stir. It was so full, so I had to be tactical. What I say, chef skills. My dear, look at this rice recipe
And tell me your guests won't be overjoyed or thrilled.
brofona ba. What I say? Aha. So if you like what you're seeing on your screen, then please, once again, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and share. Thank you.